situation. It's like the side of him then you fear was on vacation, wasting no time, he was chasing life. Never ever felt afraid to show his face in daylight. His game tight, laced up, ready to take flight. Make light with his mic, fuck all of that fake hype. Great sight for his changing, he trying to better situations, acting like he just escaped the slave ships. Courageous in character, although his name just an amateur. Most became amazed with his stamina, engaged in the famine of letting it go. He knew that his time would come to grab control, but his optimism exceeded his proper vision. He got lost within him, tried to explain it was not forgiven. That's the cost for living. Lost evidence and lost of confidence. Realized he was wrong at himself like Pops did him. There was a lie hidden behind him optimistically. Over time he addressed his deeds and got busy. It was not for free. He had to work on a strategy to enable his ability. Yeah, it's the optimist, the optimist. There ain't no stopping it. It's the optimist, it's the optimist. It be the one who is always trying to improve. The person who only sees the glass half full, with the mind stay concentrating on ways to elevate and never stopping it. Yeah, it's the optimist. It's the optimist, the optimist. Bringing colossal shit when he's dropping it. Yeah, it's the optimist. But there's some cats that see things differently, worry about popularity and victory. Does history repeat offenses? Seems to me they claim to be adventurous without bringing nothing of interest. These are the people I call a pessimist, talking shit, taking guesses with no estimates. The rest of us try to get the best of it. They recline us in, try and get us arrested for this development. They need to back on up, cause everybody's just out there trying to get their cut. Who the fuck was you expecting to hold? An optimist who's in control of expressing his soul, and so then you get to be told there ain't no way to go about getting things. Pick yourself up and try for better things, and let it ring in your eardrums, because the optimist gets everything he wants while you getting none. And come crunch time, you be left behind, trying to find the thin line between you and how to define yourself and who you mad with. Left with the world at your hands, but no act.